and I'm doing like 8 over. Jeez. What the fuck? What was that about? And then you slip it. Wow, okay, whatever. I didn't even fucking cut you off. Oh. You're an idiot. Here I am ahead of you again.
Fucking retard! Motherfucker. No left between. You know, you can actually go around to the right of them and fucking pass. You can fucking pass them. You can pass them. Oh my fucking god, really? And you have to move over to the fucking right and block the rest of everybody. Yeah, thanks for fucking blocking. The rest of us want to fucking go forward and you're just gonna block. You're a fucking dick.
Fucking moron!
Some years later, or a couple of years ago, when I met the doctors at Advanced Hair Restoration and saw the new, simple, one-day advanced
That's ballsy.
treatment.
Well, bicycle guy, you are riding down the wrong side of the road. Wow, you're a fucking idiot. Fucking moron! Whoa! What a stupid fucking dog. That bitch is doing like 35 fucking miles an hour.
What the fuck's going on here? What the fuck, man? Really?
How long does it have to be green? What are we waiting on? You're such a fucking anal wart. I'll just shove that ice cream cone up your ass. Maybe that'll make you drive better. Boy, if I had a booger green colored Mustang, I think I'd want to crash the damn thing too. Dude. Okay. You fuck. Are you... What are we doing? What the fuck, dude? Fucking moron. Wow. You on the phone? Are you fucking serious? The crosswalk is right up there. Are you fucking shit, moron? Wow. What a fucking useless scrotum sack. GS heating, cooling, electrical. What are you? Jeez.
Freaking idiots! You couldn't maneuver it a little bit better than that?
Yeah, I'd like 3 of your $1 breakfast burritos.
And number 1 egg McMuffin meal?
No.
Which number was it?
3 of your $1 breakfast burritos.
Oh, okay.
Hey, look at parking!
We'll need a space force to do so. Just as in the
What
past,
the
when we
fuck?
created the Air Force, establishing the Space Force is an idea. This time has come. The space environment.
You couldn't get a little bit further away from the road?
Sponsored by the American Beverage Association, Top 5 Contributors, Washington Food Industry Association, the Coca-Cola Company, PepsiCo Incorporated, Keurig Dr. Pepper, and Red Bull North America.
And now, a back-to-school message. He knew Washington State because he climbs mountains here in the wintertime, and in the summertime he does
Their fucking couch isn't tied in whatsoever. I mean, you could at least take the cushions off of the goddamn couch when you're gonna haul it in the back of a fucking truck on the highway, but you still have to tie it down too because it can still fly out of there at 55, 60 miles an hour. Wow.
Manchester United. Dallas Cowboys.
Hey!
What's your next guess?
Dude! Dude, you are riding your bike up the wrong side of the road. Or lady, whatever.